Hi, let's go ahead and create a bar chart also by selecting two possibilities. First will be by add manual series on our chart, or the second one will be to directly select the elements of our needed chart. So let's go into outside of my table and create a cell. Click a cell, going to insert, and on the column and bar menu I'm gonna select the 2D bar. So first is blank, so right click, going to select data, and on the legend entry series I'm gonna add the first series. But in our case I will use this chart to have a clear image of our total sales. So sales, or I can write sales by category, and on the values I will have the totals of our sales. Click OK, and now you see that on the vertical axis we have 1, 2, 3, 4, but I want to have the category, so I'm gonna click edit and select the axis labels. Click OK, and here we go, we have the first bar chart for our sales by category. Now the second possibility to create a bar chart is to select category column, press Ctrl from keyboard and hold, then select the sales column, going to insert, column and bar, and 2D bar, and we have obtained the same chart but with different name, title, because we have here the N1, but we can edit and sales by category. And now sure, we can adjust the format by, I don't know, let's bold or increase the size of the numbers to be more readable, and also we can adjust the gap between our bars to be more easy to see the difference between them.